We are counting down the top 10 good lock modules, and today we're at number 4. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. Slowly but surely we're getting there down the list. Today, our next good lock module will be revealed. It's none other than MultiStar. MultiStar is the thing that adds on that multi-window experience and gives you more. Samsung over the years have put a lot into MultiStar, and then eventually a lot of it makes its way into the main part of advanced features. So let's see what we've got in here now, which then could end up making its way into the full version of One UI eventually. So just to recap what multi-window is. Multi-window is the ability to have multiple windows open at once. Duh. So let's say I've got my edge panels here. I can drag and drop an app into multi-window. That's not the only way to do it. You can also launch into here and then drag an app into multi-window that way. Or if you want to as well, you could 2-finger swipe up from the bottom and it brings up your options for multi-window. Well, any app that's open on the phone or available on the phone. So let's go through and show you what you can do in here, what you can customize. First one you see here is quick launch of the multi-window. You press and hold the recents key to quickly access the multi-window. Very literal explanation. Now, this only works when you have the navigation buttons turned on. So I'd have to go into settings here, find display, find navigation, and turn on the buttons. Once that's on, when I long press this, that will launch multi-window. That is a legacy feature, one that was there way back, even before One UI in the first versions of Samsung software. TouchWiz, shudders down my spine. That was part of it. So Samsung just made it part of good lock now because the navigation buttons aren't really there anymore. Well, they are, but you get my point. You've got two options as well. You've got open in split screen view or open in pop-up view. Pop-up view, if you do that, it just shrinks it down into a pop-up, and split view will be the other way. The next one in the list is multi-window screen zoom. Now, what this does is when you have an app in split screen multi-window, it'll actually remove it or zoom out so you can fit more content in. Let me show you what I mean, or the difference that it makes. So with this turned off, if I launch, let's just bring X in here, you'll see that that's just sort of a normal size. If I flick on multi-window screen zoom, what will end up happening, got to turn split screen view on, you'll see that both apps kind of now have a sort of zoomed out view. It's fit more content in. So let's just turn it off, turn it back on, leave split screen view off for now so you can see what the difference is as soon as I turn that on. It's annoying. There we go. So now you can see that you see more. That's what multi-window screen zoom is. This is great if you're maybe viewing spreadsheets in multi-window or you just want to see more content. Turn that on inside MultiStar. Next one is multi-focus. Now, this is a toggle that came in because when you maybe were watching a video on the top half and then an app like social media app had another video in the bottom half, they would pause. So for example, let's bring in YouTube at the top and let's bring in X down here. So let's find a video here. So put this video on, still needs to be better, up the top. With multi-focus, I can watch both. So a lot of apps now have kind of supported multi-focus anyway, but if there's an app that you're finding that doesn't, you can just go in here and turn multi-focus on and it'll be sort of active again. Sliding down the list, you've got remove blur effect on adjusting split view. So let's bring split view in again. So when I do this, you can see there's a blur effect, right? That blur effect comes in. If I go ahead and turn that off, it now just removes it. I don't know about you, but I definitely prefer that blur animation, so keeping it. Moving down to keep split mode, the explanation is not very helpful. It says in the split mode, it maintains the split mode when running a new app. So the only thing I can think of this is if I launch a new app here, it keeps split mode turned on. Whereas if I turn this off and then wanted to launch an app, split mode disappears. It's still there in the background, but it will mean that split mode stays if you open a new app. it'll stay split screen. Next toggle in here is prevent pop-up view minimalization. So if I go into here, it says avoid minimizing pop-up view. So if I put an app into pop-up view, which you can do by doing that, I really don't understand the point of that because it was minimalized. I don't understand. Anyway, that's there. The last one in there is high resolutions for external display. If you wanted to bring in a 4K option when you plug into Samsung DeX, this is where you do it. You come into here, you turn on that toggle, and then when you plug DeX into an external monitor, you will see the 4K option there. Some devices have it native, I think the tablets, but here is where you can go in and bring that extra high resolution option in. And as I said at the top, set pop-up gesture size. This is now part of the advanced feature multi-window menu. And some of these started their life in Good Lock and came into here. So there's an option for the ones you've just seen to eventually make their way here as well. That's MultiStar. That's a Good Lock module that can customize your whole multi-window experience and give you some extra toggles to make your life a bit easier with it. Hit subscribe to SamMobile TV. We're still counting down the Good Lock apps. We're almost there to number 1. Go visit us on our website, go find us on our socials, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.